Hey, welcome back to another video. We got another install for you today. I just got some new stuff in. Got some new LEDs to put underneath the car. Josh is on his way over right now. He's gonna help me install it. I already did a little bit of prep and looked around to see where I could get through the firewall and everything. So hopefully it goes smoothly and I can run the wires where I need to run the wires. So let's jump right into it. What up, dude?
Hey guys. Back at it.
Back at it again.
Back at it.
Alright, so I guess we'll just start laying out everything and figuring out where everything goes. Alright, we got one strip fully mounted up in the back. Josh, still laying on the floor. Getting lazy down here, bro?
Yeah, man.
Alright, I just gotta tuck the wire into the fender liner around the top so we can get down to the side skirt. Let's get it. Okay, now we just have to repeat the process for the side skirt, go around the front wheel well, do the front, and then repeat on the other side. So I'll fast forward through that. Alright, so we just finished up putting the lights on the front, on the side skirt. Now we just have to do the other side. We got the wire ran into where we need to so we can get it into the car over here. So I just got to spin the car around so that we're not in the middle of the street, and we'll finish up. Also, I'm going to take a little break for some water because it's hot. Stay hydrated.
H2O. H2O.
H2O.
Gatorade.
H2O.
Water sucks. It really sucks. Water sucks.
No, stop
it
saying
really
sucks.
sucks.
You're bad people.
Alright, so right now I'm gonna start getting this wire from inside the car through the firewall into the engine bay so that I can tie everything up and make sure that everything still works. And then I'll finish putting up the other side when Josh gets back. He's going to grab some food right now. Alright, we're all nice and tidied up in here. Here's the switch. Now we just got to hook it up. And then once Josh gets back, we'll finish up the lights on the other side. And then we'll be all done. And then I can wait till a little later, get some clips at night so you can see it better, because you're definitely not going to be able to see it right now. It's too bright. Alright, so yesterday it started raining before we were able to finish putting the other side on. So right now we're doing that. Josh is putting the wire into the wheel well right now. And we're gonna finish up today, and I'll give you some results later on. I got you your water.
Gatorade.
Okay, now we just got to get the fronts done, the side skirts are done, the back is fully done. Once we get the front plugged in and done, then the whole thing will be done. All right, we're like right there. We just got to finish putting up one more wire that's hanging.
98%.
98%. All right, we're at 98%. I'm putting in these last two screws. That'll be 99 and 100. If I can get the screw in, that'd be great. Screw, can you please cooperate with me? All right, all right. We're getting nowhere here. All right. All right, 99%. One more screw. 100%.
Yes.
It's done.
Yes.
I can go to sleep now.
And we're done.
I don't want to do that again. I lied. It wasn't that bad. Help me get a lift so I don't have to stay on the floor all the time. Hit that subscribe button. All right, I'm gonna have Josh pull up the car right now, and then I'll have him turn on the lights, and then I'll turn it around and show you what it looks like. I mean, it's the daytime, but we're in the shade, so you'll be able to see it a little bit.
Woo! All right, you can actually see it pretty good right now. The back is it's a little low. You can't really see it too much right now. It's too bright, but damn. All right.
Yeah, it looks sick.
It's about to look great tonight.
It looks sick.
All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.